Hi everybody, I hope you are fine. Let's proceed with the session today. We're going to talk how to create two network and to make those networks to be communicate. And if it's your first time to watch this video, please pause it and just find the first video, introduction to packet trace, and the part 1, how to configure devices. But today we are work with Sisco packet part 2. We're going to create a two network and to just connect and to make sure that all those network make communications, and you can see step by step. So let's proceed. The first things you must know, the IP address we're going to use. To me, I'm going to use two IP address. That's class A with and the class class B and class C. I'm going to work with IP address class C. So first of all, I'm just using the one router. So I'm select this one. One router will be there, and after pressing there, also going to take a switch device. You see, this is switches device. Put here the first switch, and also put another switch. So I'm going to connect two different computers. Just select device. This will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now I'm going to connect this will be the one network, and this will be the other network. So we're going to make this network to communicate with this one. So we're going to make connection. You want to make connection, we're going to use cable. So select this one, connections, and now we're going to use this one, cross over straight through. This we're going to use straight through. Just select it and just connect your device with first Ethernet to switch. That's one. Also this device connect to switch. Now also use this device from the switch, from this side first to this. Will be this device to this device. As you see, the first Ethernet port 0/2, and now let I use this. This will be the network class C. Maybe this IP address will be 10.0, and maybe this will be 6820. That's it. And now maybe this will be that's 10, 20. This will be 2, and this will be 3. This will be 3. This will be 68, and this is 10. Maybe 3. Here will be 2.682 and 10.2, and this will be the gateway. In order this network to communicate with the connection of the route, so must put the gateway will be 10.1, and this network to communicate with this network through this connection route, we must put the gateway will be this one. Now as you see, everything's look nice. This should be the network of this side. This should be network of this side, and this should be IP address of this laptop, IP address of this network, this device. So to connect this network with this one, also we're using this crossover. I'm just using giga 0/0/0. Just going to use the first NF3, and this will be giga 0/0/1. So you're going to mark this point so as to know when we want to make the configuration. It will be easy if we know the ports. So to mark the port, just using this one, press note, or you can press N, this one. So we're going to write the port. This is giga 0/0/1, and this will be giga 0/0/0. Okay. Now as you see, this network is not configured. Just make connections, and connection via these router devices. As you see, you need to make this device to be connected together and to communicate using the packets. So we must assign this address to the devices. So as you see, if I copy this, and we're going to press this one to assign the IP address to this device. Now come to the desktop. As you see, IP. In IP now static, just paste your IP of the device. As you see, the gateway, this gateway will be, this gateway is this one. So in this case is this one. So can press this, say and that's gateway. So that's one, just close, same apply, come this device, come desktop, IP configurations, static, and press there, and this is 3, as you see, and the gateway, this network will be this one. So press there and say 1. So come with this device, configure this device. As you see, this is 192.168.10. So this is 10.23. And this gateway will be 1, as you see. And the gateway is this one. Now come in this device, come to desktop, okay, configurations, statics, this is 2, and the gateway is 1, as you see. Now we have configured our IP address to our device switch. You see, now we're going to configure our device to the router. Now to make connection to the router, now come to the router, open it. As you see, let's come to see command line interface. Press here, and as you see, now we are going to write your code. Just say no. So now press enter. You see you're in the router now. We are going to assign our IP address. So to assign the IP address, we start with this network. So here we are in user mode. So say we have some command. First command is enable. It's enable. Now in the user mode, in order to assign the IP address, we must be in the global privilege mode. So to be in the global privilege mode, we are using the config T. It's config T is config terminal. As you see, we're in the global configuration mode, and from here we are going to go into the IP address. So you say interface. We're going to in the interface, and this interface is giga. As you see, giga 0/0/0. So this giga Ethernet is 0/0/0. Now press enter. You see, now I'm in this interface. I'm going to assign IP address. So IP address. This IP address is, I'm going to assign this IP of this network. I'm going to assign this IP of this network. For this case, as you see, that is 1.2.1.10.20 and that's 0.1. Sorry, that's 0.1. And this class C, the subnet mask of class B will be 255.255.255.0. Now as you see, configured. So now we are going to say not shutdown. Wow, as you see, now it's up. Now this connection is successful. Now we're going to make the connection of this side again. So this side we are in the interface 0/0/1. So we must go one step back. So to go one step back, we use this command exit. So now we are in the global configuration mode. Now you say interface. This is giga also. Now is 0/0/1. So from here say IP address will be the 192.168.10.20.1, and the subnet mask will be, this class C will be 255.255.255.0. Now as you see, now say now shut down so as to I see. Wow, that's it. Now from here our device, now you can say exit one step back, exit one step back. Now to save we use the command do right. As you see, okay, we are saving now. So as you see, this device can make the connection, as everything's connection is ready. As you see, the connection is successful. So let's try to ping this device with this one to try if we have the true connection. So from here we're going to ping this device. So this will be 192.168.9.10.22. So have this one, open this one, and then come to the terminal. Sorry, come to in this command prompt. Now ping. We're going to ping this device. this device if it reaches. So that's 192.168.10.22. As you see pinging, we are just waiting the reply. If we see the reply, as you see, wow, we have some reply. Wow, as you see, everything's work fine. And this is how the network communicates. We can try to see with, as you see, we get reply from the device. This means that the network is good communication, they communicated well. So you can also try by using these packets. So to use this one, just click it and just put in this device maybe, and maybe to this device. As you see now, to try to see if this connection is works and to see if the packets goes to this device and it reply to this device. So come to these simulations. Just to click, as you see in this one, as you see we have some packets we have here. So to display or to get to see, you have some event list, or to say this one, we can click this one to see here and see here what's going on. So to see here, so you can play it to see how the packet goes. To see how the packet goes. So as you see now, as you see, wow, the connection is successful clearly, and let's see, it's reached the destination. So now we are waiting as a reply. I see, wow, a good reply from the device, specific device, as you see, is coming from this device, and the other device they are not understanding what is going on. And the other device did not understand what's going on. And see, wow, congratulations, everything's going clear. As you see, everything's clear. So even though you can try to communicate this device with this device by using also this one, so I put here and this one, and just try to play and to see. It must go to the device, specific device, to the router, and the router can determine this packet is from where. As you see, is not from there, is from this device. As you see, the switch make the destination to say that this packet will be in this device and not otherwise. As you see, wow. Now this is the how to work with Sisco packet trace, and this lesson I hope you enjoy and you see how to make the connection and configure the IP addresses and make sure that everything is clear and so on. From here, if you want to we have different things. For example, as you see here we have different now we work with as you see how the device look like, and as you see everything is clear. I hope you enjoy this video. Please remember to subscribe, to like, and to comment my channel. Have a good